So Montgomery County Students for Change was founded in 2018 after the Parkland shooting. It was a group of students from across Montgomery County from both public and private schools who felt that they needed a voice and they needed to be able to get involved with the political process. So they organized a big walkout, and it was calling for gun violence prevention measures to be taken on a national level. So they walked out to DC for the day.
Basically, this project is a collaboration between MoCo for Change and the Youth Activism Project, which is another social justice centered organization. And the goal here is to get every senior in Montgomery County registered to vote. And we're doing that through, we have school coordinators and volunteers at each school who are reaching out to each particular senior class, and we're also seeking to create public narratives where people tell their story of why voting is important to them. We have a portal, which is moco2100.card with 2rs.co. So that's where we're directing people to get registered.
We've gotten a pretty positive response, especially with the MoCo 2100 video that came out earlier this week. But in terms of registration, we've gotten a pretty good number of seniors registered. We just got a response from one of our school coordinators saying that they'd gotten about 200 people registered from their school. So we're really happy with the way things are starting to pick up.
Our bottom line is that we need people to get registered. We need people to participate in the political process. Regardless of how they're going to vote, they need to have their voices heard. And as a generation, I feel like we understand that we're doing this interview from our homes in the midst of virtual learning. We have friends on the other side of the country who are seeing smoke surrounding their homes. And we have a very deep understanding of how politics impacts our lives on a daily basis, probably more than other generations have in the past. And I think that we have a deep understanding of how pressing these things are and how that connects to politics and electoral politics. So we do want to create spaces in which we can discuss issues, but for this initiative, it's all about getting registered, getting ready to participate in our democracy.